Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how we're going to bring your lead information out from a Facebook lead generation campaign. So a Facebook lead generation campaign are campaigns that when you go through your Facebook, then you see a sponsored post, then when you click on the button, a form will pop out. It does not bring you to any website or bring you to messages or bring you to their page. It pop up a form. So this form will collect your name, email address, or phone number, or other questions they may ask. So once you key in, once you click send, the information will be sent to the Facebook page or the Facebook account of the person that do the advertisement. So how are that guy or that girl that do the advertisement take all the information out so that they can see them, they can contact them, they can email them. So this is the manual way we are doing it. So we are getting the information directly from Facebook itself, platform itself, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so this is my own personal Facebook page. You can come and do like and support my page. And this is some of the ads that I'm running currently. So for example, like this ad, then the moment this ad is being shown into the feed, then when people click sign up, then there'll be this list of form to fill up. Okay, then once they fill up, they'll be stored inside your page and saved inside account. So this is where you can collect all your leads. This is done manually, and there are some automation tool right now, but we're not discussing this at this video. So we're going to discuss the manual way you get leads out, the leads details out from your page. So the moment you go inside, you have to be the only way you get out the leads from your page is you have to have an admin rights and also as an advertiser rights. If you're just an editor rights, you're not able to take the lead out. So to start, you just have to go to publishing tools. Then go to form libraries. And there you see there's the forms that I showed you just now. Then here there's 5 leads, so you just have to click download. Choose by date range, lifetime list download, CSV. There, your lead information are here. Then after that, you can put it into another Excel sheet or things like that, and to organize it better in the way that you can use it. There's another way that you can do it, which is directly using the Ads Manager itself. So, for example, you go to Ads. So Ads Manager is where I run my ads. And then you just go inside here. Then you go to whichever that have leads. Right, just go inside. And then click on here, lead. Just click on it. Then they'll ask you where to download the leads. By that range, then just download CSV. Same thing as well. So there's 2 methods using desktop, whether you are manual way, whether you are using from the page itself. You go to publishing tools, go to form library and download it, or indirectly in Ads Manager, go to your ads directly, and then there'll be a form there for you to click on it. So now let's go to the mobile side. And of course, when you go to get Facebook leads, you will definitely, there are times where you have to go to get it from your phone instead of using your desktop. So in your phone, it's a bit different. You're not able to get the lead out directly from the Facebook page app or the Facebook app itself. So you have to go to the mobile site. Yeah, I know, but I know it's a bit irritating, but no choice. So like now, I'm already in the page.
So for example, when you type Facebook and then you go to your page, this is the link, and you open up my page. This is my page. So what we're going to do is we want to take the lead out from this page. First of all, you need to make your browser to be not mobile and make it to desktop mode. So you just click on the three buttons here, ring the three circle here, then you go to desktop side. Then but you'll see the picture is still look like what is supposed to look like in mobile. Then what you do is when you go to the page, you see the M in front, just remove the M. Click. There. You'll see that this is exactly the same dashboard as it is in the desktop. Same process. Just go to publishing tools. Go to form libraries. Download. Download by date range. Download everything. CSV. Then I open it. There is all here. So this is how you get your lead information when you run a form lead generation campaign using mobile. And there's no other way around it yet. So you can only use your browser instead of using the Facebook app or the Facebook page app.
Okay, that's it. So I hope this is helpful to you, so that when you can even show to your customers, if you are digital marketing, show customer, this is how you get the leads out. Because I have this issue where I run campaign for my customers, but they don't know how to take the leads out. They say, where are all the leads information? They're all gone, but they're actually in Facebook. So this video also can be, I will use this video as well to share to them if they have these questions on how to take leads. So, and I hope it helped you as well. And if you like my content, like what I did, what I shared, do like the video, put some comments, and subscribe to my channel. Give me some support, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.